Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 8 of Python tutorials for Fixed Learners. In this video, we'll be learning about dictionaries in Python. So if you have not watched my previous video, go and watch it. In the previous video, we learned about a very important topic which is input function in Python. So without wasting time, let's start. So if you have not visited the Python tutorials podcast playlist, go and visit it and don't forget to subscribe CodeWithNiranjan too. So let us start our video. I'll quickly open my Python IDE and I'll create a new file to write code. So if you want to create a dictionary, you have to use the dictionary name as usual and you have to use flower brackets to make a dictionary. So the difference between dictionary and list is, in dictionary you have to get the data using keys and in list you have to use positions. So I'll quickly add a key here, that is Python, and I'll add data, that is a programming language. So now the key is Python and the data is a programming language. So I quickly save the document, run the module. So I'll save the document as the8 dictionary. So I have a formula for this, and now if I run the module, I get nothing because we have not yet print my date. So if I print my date, we get Python, a programming language. So if you print the type of this dictionary, type of my date, and if we run the module, we get class date. So this is an dictionary. And now if we print my date, we get normal class date and a Python, a programming language. So to use multiple keys, we have to use comma, and we can add another key such as HTML used to make websites. And if I run the module, I get two dictionary here, Python and HTML. So if you want to print a key in dictionary, you have to use the key name, such as I want to print HTML. So if I use HTML, so I have to use, I forgot to use comma, so we get used to make websites. So this is how you can print the keys. So if I print Python here, I get a programming language. So this is how you can create dictionaries. So if you print the length of this dictionary, we get 2. So there are 2 values. So if you add another value, we get 3. We get 2 again because these values are same. So code, I'll add an example use to code. So we get 3. So you should not use same value. So you can even add a number such as numbers colon, and you can use square brackets if you want to add multiple numbers, 21, 21, 21, 32, 54. So now we get 4 here. So if we print my date, we also get number. So you can also change items such as my date, number, or else code equals to, so I forgot to add commas, so code equals to something. And if we run the module, we get code print my date code. So if I run the module, I get something. So we got here use to code because we have print. We have used the print function before changing this value. So if we remove this my date and if we print my date now, we get normal something. So we get code is equal to something. So you can also use pop, append and other things that we used in our list in dictionaries too. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then share it to friends. So if you have not visited the Python tutorials podcast playlist, go and visit it and don't forget to subscribe Code with Niranjan too. I'll see you in next video. Until then, bye bye.